Yeah, there's actually a salt factory up to the left on Hamahiga Island, where they obviously take it right out of the ocean. It's pretty neat to see how that process works. But we're coming to the end of Henza and back to the causeway up here. It'd be cool to see what this cliff looked like years ago. I know they've done a lot of blasting. A lot of little roadside cafes. Yeah, people fishing. Really cool rocks. Go back to the 16th century. That is the era that the Shisa originates from, when a little village south of here was being destroyed by fire. There was a spiritual leader, shaman, who told them they needed to build or carve a sculpture of a lion, and they'd never seen what a lion looked like before. So it came out looking a little bit different, a little bit more mythical. But the tradition is that the lion was their protector, and it's become a real symbol of Okinawa. Usually you see them in pairs, one with a pretty grotesque face, scaring away the evil spirits. One with a more amicable, friendly face, welcoming the good spirits. All right, I think I'm about to sign out. I think the battery is just about cashed on this GoPro. But man, it's been a lot of fun. And I'll just finish up this ride after a quick snack and continue to take in the sights, sounds, and smells of this lush subtropical paradise. Well, if you've made it this far, thanks so much, and happy trails.